Hey, folks! Welcome back to Quick and Easy Learnings, your study buddy. Today, we're diving into something every student needs. 5 practical study tips that actually work. No fluff. Just straightforward advice to help you ace your studies. Tip number 1. Optimize your study space. Find a spot that's comfy and distraction-free. It could be your desk, a cozy nook, or even a corner of your favorite cafe. Wherever it is, make it your study sanctuary. Tip number 2. Set smart goals. Instead of, I need to study, try, I'm going to finish 2 chapters today. Goals keep you on track and give your study sessions purpose. Now, for tip number 3. Mix up your study methods. Don't stick to one boring routine. Try flashcards, group study sessions, or even teaching the material to someone else. Variety keeps things fresh and your brain engaged. Tip number 4. Stay organized, but keep it simple. A clutter-free study space and well-organized notes can do wonders. If you want me to make a video on how to make notes in no time, and various tips and tricks, let me know. But you don't need fancy gadgets. A planner, sticky notes, and a basic folder will do just fine. Lastly, tip number 5. Take breaks and treat yourself. Your brain needs rest. Short breaks, a walk, or a quick snack can re-energize you. And don't forget to reward yourself after hitting those study goals. You've earned it. Conclusion. There you have 5 down-to-earth study tips that anyone can use. No buzzwords, no gimmicks. Just practical advice to make your study sessions more productive. Give them a try. And remember, you've got this. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow students. For more down-to-earth study tips and academic support, don't forget to subscribe to Quick and Easy Learnings. Until next time, happy studying.